Hi!
Welcome to another Little Chicken Studio adventure right here in
Argentina!
This was our first international trip as a family of 5.
We flew with our 2 toddlers and a newborn. Pretty chaotic, but we survived.
We spent the holidays exploring this beautiful country, and in this first video, we're taking you to the stunning countryside of Cordoba. Think lush green landscapes, peaceful lakes, and charming little towns. We're sharing family-friendly activities, tips for planning your own trip here, and a few local secrets you won't want to miss. Cordoba sits right in the heart of Argentina and is known for its laid-back countryside, perfect for families looking to slow down and enjoy nature. After a long flight from Belgium, we arrived in the Calamuchita Valley and stayed at Papa Charlie, a cozy family-friendly spot right on the lake. One of the highlights of our trip was spending a day on the lake. While we were lucky to have family take us out on their boat, Carla even got to drive it, you can also rent one for the day from several providers around Lago Los Molinos. It's perfect for a relaxing afternoon with kids. The water was calm, the views were incredible, and it gave us a chance to slow down and enjoy family time. So we're staying in the Sierras of Cordoba, and if you can look behind me, the landscape and the scenery around here is just spectacular. Everything is just so green and lush, and we can't wait to explore more of this area. Cordoba is known for its sierras, or rolling hills, and the scenery here is breathtaking. Emma described it perfectly. She said it felt like being hugged by the earth, and she was totally right. We visited a local ranch where you can go horseback riding, a great activity for older kids or parents wanting a peaceful ride through nature. While we didn't ride horses on our visit, we did take a very nice walk in nature, and that's where my uncle found this aloe leaf. Perfect if you got a sunburn.
Oh my god.
Did you know there's a little German town hidden in the Sierras? This region has a rich history of European immigration, and walking through the streets felt like a mini trip to Germany. We spent an afternoon in Villa General Belgrano, a charming town known for its Bavarian-style buildings and craft shops.
So we just bought some traditional alfajores from the region, in Cordoba, dulce de leche filling. Very cool.
One of the simplest yet most memorable days was having a picnic by the river. There are countless spots like this along Río Los Reartes. You guys, we definitely recommend that you come here if you're visiting Cordoba because the area is absolutely gorgeous. I really underestimated how nice it would be actually, but my mom really insisted that we come here, and it's beautiful. The area that's bordering the river, like all the green space around, is perfect for picnics, and I think we're gonna do just that with our family. I think there are actually some campgrounds around as well if you're into that. And of course, we couldn't leave without indulging in Argentina's famous herbal tea called maté.
Bueno, vamos a preparar un mate, que es la bebida como nacional argentina.
Y el mate lo usamos como excusa para reunirnos a tomar mate en grupo, amigos, familia.
Y el mate consiste en esto que se llama porongo, que puede ser así más pequeño, pueden ser grandes, pueden ser de plástico también o de metal. La bombilla y yerba, lo clave que es la yerba. Y ponemos la yerba dentro. Llenarlo. A mí me gusta hacer esto. Sacudirlo.
¿Y por
Es
qué?
Para sacarle todo el polvo.
Ah,
Porque
ok.
este polvo a veces te hace mal a la panza, como genera un poco de
Acidez.
acidez. No, yo le pongo primero el agua, un poquito
Un
así.
poquito para que la yerba se hinche. Primero lo dejas unos
Unos
segundos
minutos. Y luego la bombilla.
y ahora de vuelta.
Normalmente dejamos que repose unos minutos.
No se moja toda la yerba, el agua se tira a un
Solo por
costado.
delante. Y hay algunas personas que le ponen azúcar también,
O miel.
o miel, pero nosotros preferimos tomarlo así.
Next, we're heading to Buenos Aires for city life, tango, and incredible food. And after that, we'll explore Patagonia, where it wasn't just the landscapes that completely stole our hearts.
Bye.